I'm going to start the new chapter of the computer or in computer, that is chapter number 4, writing with the styles and color in OpenOffice Writer. Up to third chapter I have finished. Now what are the things we will have to learn this chapter? Look, first one, learn to change the font size. Second, apply formatting options like bold, italic, underline. Next one, format painter. Then use a spelling and grammatical check. So these 4 topics we will learn in this video. So now I'm going to start the first one. Learn to change the font size, font face, font color, all the things. So now for that, what you have to do, you have to open the OpenOffice Writer. How you have to start that in previous video I had discussed. So now after opening OpenOffice Writer, you write something. I have typed here what we all love our country. So now we want to know what the font face this is, how we can change the font color. So now I'm going to do this one. So how you can do the formatting task like font color change karna, font size change karna. So you have to click on the format menu, go to the character option. When you click on the character option, so character dialog box will be appear. Character dialog box will be appear. Look, it is visible in the screen. So click on the font. By default it will be open font. So now you can see, if anybody will ask that which font face you have written this we all love our country, so it will be highlighted by default. So what the font face I have used, this is called the font face. So what the font face we have used here, that is Times New Roman. Now typeface here by default it is what, regular. What is the default size, that is 12. But you don't want, you want to do some changes, you want to make some changes like font face, you don't want Times New Roman, you want to change something. So what you have to do before going to start this one, you need to select where you want to do the formatting. So you select this one, go to the format, click on the character, dialog box of character will appear there. Suppose you don't want Times New Roman, you want what, suppose this Tunga regular. You don't want regular, you want bold italic. You can do the bold italic. Size you want, what size you want, 18, you can change 18. And now click here. Now see, this is automatically changed. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now you want to change the font color, font face, so all the things you want. Font face, so I did how you have changed the font. Now font effect you want to change. Font effect means I'm going to show here. Font effect means what, like outline, shadow, blinking. So one by one I'm going to show. So look, when we click here outline, so how it will look, when you press here outline. Now this is called the outline. Outline means what, बीच में सारे के सारे white दिख रहे हैं और outline केवल कलरफुल है. Okay, so how I did this, click on the format, go to the character, then outline. But you don't want this outline, so click here, it will be removed. Shadow you want, so shadow, click here. Shadow means shadow will be appear there, like how shadow will be there. देखो थोड़ा shadow दिख रहा है आपको. So such a way you can do this formatting work. Go once again, character, blinking you want. आप देखते हो कोई भी चीज़ में नेट वगैरह में देखते हैं ब्लिंकिंग होते रहता है. नाउ इट विल बी ब्लिंक कीवर्ड, ये ब्लिंक करते रहेगा. अभी देख रहे हैं ब्लिंक करते रह रहा है, बट यू डोंट वांट दिस ब्लिंकिंग. सो गो टू वंस अगेन फॉर्मेट, कैरेक्टर, then hidden means you can hide this one. Shadow, blinking, I'm going to remove this. Blinking I don't want, shadow I don't want. Hidden means you look ये hidden दिखते रहेगा. So such a way you can do this one. Now font effect, that color if you want to change, font color you want to change, so you can change like different colors are here. You want this color, look, color will be changed. It's not showing because I think clicking hidden part I think. So let's go back in format character. Yes, it is hidden, so that's why it is not visible. Click here and now it will be visible. It's not visible. Go once again, character, hidden, and then okay. Oh, I think I have not selected this one, that's why. Done. I have done.
have submitted.
Once again I'm going to write
I have submitted.
just 1 minute. So it is not visible, I think hidden is working here. So once again I'm going to select all, go to this option character, and this hidden is applicable. So reset I'm going to do this, हिडन को हम लोग ये कर दे और ओके करते हैं ना। एक्चुअली दिख नहीं रहा है क्या है यहाँ पर, तो बेटर हम लोग नया ले लेते हैं, नया ले लिए। अब सेम वे आई एम गोइंग टू राइट वी लव आवर country. So how you have to do this one, so I think I discussed how you can change the font color. Go to this format menu, character, and it is color you can choose this one. Suppose color you want different color, so you can choose black. Already this one is capital letter or small letter, you can change. So look, it will look like this. So all these things you can see, font color options by default it will be here, so you can change from here also. Go once again, character, color I have selected here, outline, shadow, blinking, hidden I have discussed. Okay, so now effect means what, if you want to display anything in a capital letter, in a block letter, so you can choose this capital. You want all the things you want to display lowercase, so now click here lowercase, it will be displayed in lowercase. ना यू वांट टू चेंज वर्ड कि सर फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए सारे वर्ड का, तो उसके लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं सेंटेंस केस। तो बेटर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, टाइटल यू कैन से टाइटल, सो टाइटल मीन्स व्हाट, ऑल द फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी इन कैपिटल, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इफेक्ट। सो हाउ यू कैन डू दिस चेंज इन इफेक्ट, सो what are the options are here. Capital means all letters will be in capital, lowercase all letter will be in lowercase, a small capital means look a small capital, how it will look, a small capital, it will look like this. So you can change this one. Now I'm going to discuss the next part, that how you can do the bold and italic part. So look, when you see, this is the formatting toolbar, this is called the formatting toolbar, and I have already this switched on. So if formatting toolbar is not your computer, so go to the view menu, go to the view menu and go to the toolbar. When you go to the toolbar option, see formatting is already ticked here. It means what, this formatting toolbar is visible in your computer. So if you want to what we want to do, we want to do the some formatting work, like I want to do bullet, to click here bullet, look bullet ho gaya. You want to do italic, you can press I. You want to underline this one, press U. So bold, italic, underline, there is a shortcut key also, for bold. For bold, BOLD, bold के लिए शॉर्टकट की होता है, दैट इज CTRL प्लस B. दिस इज़ अ बोल्ड शॉर्टकट की. इटैलिक के लिए होता है, CTRL प्लस I. सेम वे अंडरलाइन के लिए होता है, अंडरलाइन, यू मस्ट राइट दिस थिंग इन अ कॉपी. अंडरलाइन के लिए होता है CTRL means control plus U. So now I'm going to do this changes with the help of shortcut key. Now already bold है, हटाना चाहते हैं, हट गया. italic हटाना चाहते हैं, हटा दिए. underline हटाना चाहते हैं, हटा दिए. now bold करना चाहते हैं, तो what you have to do, you have to press from keyboard control plus B. look, it will be bold. You want to italic, control plus I. You want to underline this one, so you can use this shortcut key also. So with the help of shortcut key you can this one. Now the rest part, the rest topic I'm going to explain in the next video, because in this application we have a limitation, up to 10 minutes we can record. So the next video I will show more, so watch this video, and after that you must watch second video also. So in second video I'm going to complete all the topic, so continue watching.